PranaYoga is a therapeutic yoga studio. We're offering a healing sanctuary for those that come into our studio or take our virtual classes online, a relief from the modern day stress and anxiety of living. I think one of the first things that people experience when they take a class from one of our yoga therapists is that warmth, that guided self-care, that they can just be held in the space of this therapeutic yoga that we're offering. We have Sattva Restore, which is great for improving our mood, our outlook, and restoring that mental health through our relaxation techniques, guided imagery, and restorative postures. We have balanced flow classes for the beginner that wants a holistic Hatha yoga practice. We have our therapeutic classes. Our therapeutic flow classes serve those that are 50 plus, but many younger practitioners love to come to those for that more holistic therapeutic movement pattern in their bodies. And then we also have our heated Sattva Vinyasa practices. At PranaYoga, we also offer yoga therapy and Ayurveda counseling. And Ayurveda is something that's weaved throughout our classes. So you have a lot of different movement medicine as the seasons change. You're moving your body in many different ways and patterns. And even the guided imagery and relaxation changes throughout the season. So you get a lot of different techniques and exploration. Many times when students come to us for Ayurveda or yoga therapy sessions, it's because their physician has recommended it for either mental or physical well-being. It's when they say they have to learn how to live with that illness or disease. And we can work with movement, meditation, guided relaxation, and imagery practices to build self-esteem and self-confidence. We also work with chronic illness of cancer, diabetes, heart disease, chronic pain, and trauma. And so that's what we're here for, is to teach you how to live with whatever kind of suffering is going on in your life, whether that's physical or mental and emotional pain. And we do that through movement, meditation, spiritual guidance, all of those modalities of yoga, but we aim them for the individual. So we're always adjusting, accommodating, and adapting for the individual. We're never treating the illness or the symptoms, we're treating the person that's in front of us moment to moment. Prana means life force, that life force energy and vitality. I think I named it that because I suffered with asthma as a child and anxiety and depression of my own. And that started to heal with yoga and Ayurveda. And Sattva, which is the type of method that we've developed here for meeting students where they are as we adapt the yoga practice to the modern practitioner, means balance. So we're all just seeking a little bit of balance in an unbalanced world. So this is yoga for life. Whether you're a brand new beginner or someone that wants to become a yoga teacher, whether you're 50 plus and need some movement on a daily basis that's going to help you manage pain or chronic illness, or whether you're someone looking to become a yoga therapist, PranaYoga Institute has the programs for you, interwoven with the sister science, which is actually the same science, Ayurveda, for meeting you where you're at.